welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna make Goku sketch. Okay, so firstly with a sharp pencil I'm gonna make the normal sketching of our character Goku. So let's make that. Alright, so I've made the sketch of Goku here, and now I'm gonna do the sketching part. So yeah, and I've only made the face, but I thought then I need to make the body too, a little bit, only a little bit. But then I thought that why there is no need. We just need to see that I have drawn a Goku. So I've only drawn the face of him. Alright guys, so I'm done with my Goku drawing, and please share your view in the comment section about this drawing. I think it's quite nice, but yeah, as you can see I've made it quite sketchy in the face by just sketching it very lightly. I don't know how I did it with a normal pencil, but yeah, I did it. That's quite nice. And the whole drawing, I think that the total I will give him like 90 out of 100 or so. But you can also write down the marks in the comment section, and I will also give a poll in the live chat option, so you can rate my drawing. So thanks for watching, and if you like my video and learn something new, don't forget to smack that like button and also subscribe to my channel right now, and I'll see all of you in the next video.